Hello, good day. Once again, this is Owen of Insect Vines PH. For today, ang gagawin natin, you can see na this plant. By the way, this is a hybrid between Nepenthes maxima and Campanulata. So, you all know na yung Campanulata, maliliit lang with a wide opening. Pero yung maxima naman, it is a type of Nepenthes na medyo malaking size. So we have this hybrid, and what we are going to do is to repot this plant kasi from time to time, kailangan din nire-repot natin yung mga Nepenthes kasi nadidecompose yung kanilang media, which is yung coco peat. And we can also siguro isabay na natin yung propagation with maintenance kasi na ang dami na. But before that, ang una natin gagawin is to clean this plant. That means we need to remove the dead leaves, plus mga dried pictures, dried leaves, and let's see. Let's go. And medyo na-clean na natin siya. Kailangan naman natin i-check yung pot niya. Next natin, i-repot itong mga to. So yan lang at ganun mag-propagate tapos mag-repot ng mga Nepenthes. So yun lang, hanggang sa susunod na video. Thank you.